Sunset Ford, part of the Sunset Auto family, where oil changes for life and warranty protection for life are included on every qualifying new and pre-owned vehicle, a Sunset exclusive. Today, we'd like to talk about the 2018 Ford C-Max. With its roomy interior and smart technology, C-Max is a fuel-efficient vehicle that delivers great performance. Come with us as we take a closer look. The C-Max features an aerodynamic front fascia along with powerful swept-back halogen headlamps and LED signature lighting. 17-inch aluminum wheels come standard on all C-Max models, and the convenient rear liftgate opens to provide easy access to the cargo area. Inside, the quiet and comfortable cabin of C-Max features available 10-way power-adjustable heated and leather-trimmed front seats and a leather-wrapped steering wheel with secondary audio controls. Available Sync 3 has a sleek, user-friendly interface to help you connect to and control your smartphone. C-Max has seating for 5 and best-in-class passenger volume. The class-exclusive second-row in-floor storage compartments provide storage for smaller items, and the 60/40 split-fold second-row seating can easily be folded down to provide cargo space on demand. C-Max combines a lithium-ion battery and an electric motor with a gasoline engine, providing a best-in-class 188 combined horsepower and an EPA estimated 42 miles per gallon in the city. And SmartGauge with EcoGuide will help you drive more efficiently. Regenerative braking recovers some of that energy that's usually lost during braking and will store that energy in your battery for later use. C-Max comes with 7 standard airbags and the personal safety system to keep you and your passengers protected. And the standard rear view camera helps you see what's behind you anytime you're in reverse. The 2018 C-Max never cut corners when it comes to comfort or design. With 2 models and 8 colors to choose from, we can help you customize your purchase to meet your exact needs. So come down and see us and check out the 2018 Ford C-Max.